It sounds good, but unfortunately, there's a lot of things that were left unsaid. When all is said and done, we're not going to know how our students compare to students from other states and other nations. We also are raised with the question of where were they in the past? We've had over a decade of this testing program, and now we're changing it. We should have done these kind of changes at least 5 or 6 years ago.
Now, one of the first things that Rebecca Garland mentioned, I think you would like, the idea of opening this test up to scrutiny.
Absolutely, and this is something that the Locke Foundation has been advocating for years, is to get the tests in front of the taxpayers to see what they're paying for, and now it's finally becoming a reality. So the taxpayers will see what kind of tests, just how rigorous they are, and what students need to know to pass these tests.
As these tests are being opened, though, it sounds as if the tests are going to be changed.
Yeah, it seems that they will be changed, and it's not entirely clear how, because when you clear away all of the education jargon that you hear from Ms. Garland and many others at the Department of Public Instruction, it's really not clear how the tests are going to change and what kind of content students are going to need in the future.
Okay, put on your education dictator hat and tell us how you would change things.
Well, we got to go to a test that allows us to compare students from North Carolina with students from other states. And the way to do that is to use an off-the-shelf norm reference test from a testing company that will work with North Carolina to align our standards to a test that allows us to compare our students to students from other states.